How to change your Duolingo time zone? Follow this step. First, open the Duolingo app on your device. Then tap the person icon at the bottom center of your screen to access your profile. Next, tap the settings icon at the top right. Since Duolingo doesn't have a built-in option to change your time zone, scroll down to the support section and select Help Center. Then in the Help Center, scroll down again and click on Send Feedback. After that, fill out the form, enter a subject. Then in the description box, briefly explain the issue. Now under the type of issue, choose Other box from the drop-down menu. Finally, hit Submit to send your request to Duolingo support. Once submitted, Duolingo team will review your request and help update your time zone accordingly. There you go. This is how to change your Duolingo time zone.